What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Today's video is going to be a little different from the content you've been seeing in the past few months. We're going back to our roots today. We are going outside to jump some RC cars. Now, I did buy a new ramp from FreshPark. I got it used on Marketplace for dang near 85% off. So, this is where we're jumping today. Let's get you into it. Alright, first on the chopping block, the fire team. Long time ago, I had this. I bought it brand new. Best car I ever owned, and I sold it to my buddy Joseph. Thankfully, he kept it. He cleaned it up. It's dirty because I've been driving a little bit. But with that being said, there's a couple things broke on it. Like this is broken here. You see that? It's for the sway bar. So if it breaks more today, I don't really care. I enjoy breaking stuff. Next up, fire team. Granite. The granite's coming up next. Granite, this used to be Joseph's as well. Got that from him. And I'm breaking the Promoto out today. The Promoto, I got a brand new scoop tire on it. And I'm excited to see how that thing digs up some ruts. I got brand new plastics on it, rode it one time with it. I guess I messed it up a little bit more than I thought. But no big deal. So, let's get outside. I'm going to show you this new FreshPark jump we got. It's not the baby one, it's not a little BMX one, it's the Moto one for all the dirt bikes. Original plan was to get the Stark out today and go ride that. Hit it a couple times, adjust my suspension, but I'll be honest with you. We got a heat advisory for 97 degrees outside. I'm not about to go gear up and ride that. So today, strictly RC cars. We still got the crawler, still got the drift car, got the TTO2. We did sell a couple. I wish we can get back into pan car racing. I don't feel like it. So let's get outside. Let me show you this jump, and then I'll be honest with you. I don't want to break them. I love breaking stuff, so let's do some durability testing, I guess. Let's go. Here it is, the old FreshPark Moto ramp. These are about $800 new. I think I picked it up for like $250, $300. I can't remember. Wasn't gonna haggle the guy on the price because, shoot, man, you can't beat the price for it. So we're out here at my dirt bike track here. It's not much more of a dirt bike track anymore, but yeah, it's all grown up. Anyway, we got the cars out here. 97 degrees. I'm hoping to go 97 foot in the air. I have to put it to the side because I will smack a power line. So, first up, what do you think? Granite? All right, let's go granite first. And then I'm gonna let him play with the granite while we're jumping the fire team and the Promoto. We're gonna hand the phone over to my lovely lady over there, and she's gonna film shooting some RC cars up in the air. So let's go. Alright, well, it's making a clicking noise. I don't know how long it'll last, but I have yet to hit this jump with anything, so let's see what happens. I think it's broke already, to be honest with you.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm going to go ahead and finish her off for us, I guess.
Oh no!
Well guys, I'm sorry. I didn't even get to hit the jump. I think I might have stripped the spur gear. As you can hear, it's obviously not doing anything. Joseph, did you sell me something really whack? Oh, I'm missing a whole front axle. Look at it. Let me get close to this. Look at that. It's gone. It's in there. But I think that caused... Oh, there it is. I found it. But I think this caused me to strip out the spur gear. So we're done with this one. Well guys, my apologies. I tried to break it. I mean, I guess I did. It didn't take long. What would it take? 1 second? That's the fastest durability test I've ever done. I guess we'll throw this off to the side, and then we'll go ahead and pull the fire team out. That's always a blast to drive. It is a little broken, so let's hope it lasts longer than this did. And then the Promoto, I really don't want to break the Promoto. It sits on my computer because it's pretty and it looks just like my stock Varg. So, oh well. Toss this to the side. Fire team, always a blast. 6S, 6 beats. That don't even sound good either. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. God bless America. It sounds like the center disc is slipping.
Well, just send it.
Oh Lord. To the RC guys, I'm sorry. It's been a long time for a video and I've already ruined it. The axle fell out, just like that one. You love it. I need a hand to God.
I got a foot. Tire has been blown.
I got no left turn. It's smoking.
Oh my gosh, why is it smoking?
Golly. You smell that?
Yeah.
Is it about to catch on fire?
I don't know, but let's run down.
Oh my God. My center diff is like, can you see it on the camera? Can you see how bad it's smoking? Oh my gosh. I think I just toasted the center diff. So I guess if you throw an axle out, here it is by the way. There's the axle, it's still in there. Sway bar needs to be connected so your axle won't pop out. And if you just do what I did, you're gonna burn your center diff up and it's probably gonna catch on fire. So unfortunately, both of my RC cars are done and I didn't even get to do anything. Now I am concerned about the Promoto because it is kind of tall grass out here. So let's fire up the Promoto and see if we can hit some jumps because I just ruined 2 RC cars in a matter of 2 minutes. This shouldn't catch on fire. It's just hot as hell right now. That's honestly kind of disappointing. I've been wanting to make this video for like a month now and here we are. Toasted 2 cars. It probably don't help it's 97 degrees outside.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's still smoking, by the way.
Jesus. Alright, here we go.
I don't know. It's not coming from, it's coming from whatever that is.
It's the center diff.
Oh. Your phone is on, like, scalding hot,
Alright,
by the way.
just tune up the jet real quick, let it fire up. I haven't drove this RC bike in 6 months probably. So there's probably something broke on this too, I just don't know it. I feel like I'm sitting in a sauna. I'm sweating in every crevice of my body. That does not feel good.
My feet are on fire.
I got water and sweat in cracks that you
Okay.
don't want. Let's just hope we can jump the Promoto. I'm excited to see how the scoop tire from Dunlop does. Probably gonna dig some ruts, which is fine. That's what the whole purpose is. Oh my God, yeah, throw some ruts. Loose, not ruts. Let's put some loose going here.
That thing's so fast.
I still love this thing. Alright, see if I can hit it without even looking at it. No, I just missed it. Okay. Oh God.
Man down. Pimp in distress. Clean.
That actually hits it pretty well.
And that's why that's the best car you got. Well, bike.
It is the most expensive one too, so. Oh my gosh, what a perfect landing. Exactly where I need to be on my big bike.
Did we say it's hot? Because, oh my gosh, it's hot. My feet are on fire.
Stand under the shade where it's landing at. My phone got really hot. Like I said, it's 97 degrees. It probably feels like 120 out here. You can hear me. My phone just shut off because it's super hot. And honestly, I feel it. But
Yeah.
the Promoto jumps really solid. It actually is really straight. So.
Trying to take out the camera woman. And roost me.
Sorry, I wasn't even paying attention.
This is the warning he got. He shoots and he missed. All right. Bro, how'd you get there? Oh my god. Poor guy. Beautiful. All right. That's one way to do it. Beautiful.
Well, it's hot. Batteries are dying really fast. Here's the foam to the fire team. And here is a poo-poo from the fire team. I guess it broke, dismembered both of his hands. We'll pick that up later. It's hot. To my RC guys that followed me a long time ago, this one's for y'all. I'm gonna try to get back into it. Maybe. They keep breaking before I even get to play with them. So, sorry about the broken RC cars so fast, but nevertheless, there is RC cars. Still have them. With that being said, thanks for watching. Stick around. You might see more RC cars if I can get them fixed in a decent amount of time. Still got more dirt bike content coming hopefully soon. Hopefully to get some more things moving soon. So I'm saying soon a lot, so I'll see y'all soon. Peace.